my pie out of the oven and oh my god, it looks amazing. I was so chuffed with it. It's cracked a little bit on top. I might have had the oven a little bit too hot, so it might not have cooled down enough after baking the pastry, but it's not a big deal really. It's still going to taste amazing, and you can kind of start to see some of the cloud patterns that we marked in there as well. So this is probably the worst part of making the meringue pie, is that you can't eat it straight away. You've got to leave it to cool. The reason why I put it in a pie dish that's got a quick release bottom is that I can take it out of the dish and put it on its serving plate ready, and then leave it to cool and eat it later on. So just get yourself a little dish and put your dish on top, and the bottom should fall away, and then carefully lift this up and put it on to your dish there. Move it out of the way. It's a bit fiddly doing this with oven gloves, but your pie is going to be really hot, so maybe try and do it with one glove on and one glove off. The worst bit of this job is just getting it started. Once it's off, you can then very carefully slide it. And there we go. Not breaking the pastry or anything, so it's all good. Right, you can clear the crumbs up later on. Leave it somewhere safe. Don't let anyone get to it. If it smells anything like mine is smelling at the moment, it's going to be very difficult to wait. Anyway, there we go. A Venus inspired blood orange meringue pie. If you've enjoyed watching the video today, hit subscribe, hit like, leave your comments, and come back to us next week for another planet. I haven't quite decided which planet I'm going to do, but I do have things in mind. Anyway, thanks very much for listening, and hopefully see you soon. Bye.